Roblox keeps crashing or asking for an update? In the next few minutes, I'll show you the easy ways to update Roblox on your PC. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Tech with Jihan. In this video, I will show you how to update Roblox on your PC or laptop easily. If your Roblox is not working properly, keeps crashing, or asks you to update, this guide will help you fix it. There are two simple methods, so make sure to watch until the end. First method. This method is for users who installed Roblox directly on their PC, not from the Microsoft Store. Right-click the Start button on Windows. Then select Installed Apps in the search bar. Type Roblox. Click Roblox Player, then choose Uninstall. Wait until the uninstall process is finished. After Roblox has been completely removed, open your web browser. Go to the official Roblox website and log into your account. Now click and play any game. You will see a prompt to download Roblox Player. Download the file and install Roblox again. Once the installation is complete, Roblox will be updated to the latest version automatically. Second method. This method is for users who installed Roblox from the Microsoft Store. Click the Start button, open Microsoft Store. Go to Library, then select Games, find Roblox in the list. If an update is available, click Update. Wait until the update process is finished. If there is no update button, that means your Roblox is already up to date, and that's it. Those are two easy ways to update Roblox on PC or laptop. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Tech with Jihan.